meat, garlic, 1 onion, Italian herb Ritz, mushrooms, the good ones, very old Swiss cheese, rip-off wine bread, olive oil. I don't even like olives though. So I'm adding the Ritz to the hamburger meat to add texture and flavor. Alright, so get a chunk of meat and get it into a nice size. When we cook hamburgers, it shrinks down, so this should be enough to fit on the patty, and this is a physical change. I'm gonna put some of this in the pan so the hamburger meat does not stick. Now I need to cut up this garlic. So after I cut all of these, which was a physical change, I'm gonna start cutting the onion. So now I'm gonna dice up the onion. Alright, now I'm about to toss the onions and the garlic into a hot pan with oil in it. Along with some mushrooms.
That's a lot of mushrooms.
Like my cutting board. Anyway, I'm gonna toss the burgers inside the oil. Right now I'm just sauteing the onions and getting a good burn on the burgers. So the sautation I'm doing with this onions and garlic and mushrooms, okay, it's a chemical change. Just need to rotate these onions real quick with the mushrooms. Need to get a little color. Now I'm just flipping these hamburgers. Now I'm just gonna put some cheese on. After I measure, I gotta do half because I'm doing some small burgers. So, and this melting of the cheese right now, that'll kind of hurt. It's a chemical change. Alright, now I'm gonna add the mushrooms and the onions and a little garlic. Okay, put that on. Oh yeah. Add that on, and the final product for this is a heterogeneous mixture. Ow.
So, how do you feel about this mushroom Swiss slider?
It's delicious.
What else?
The mushrooms and the onions were grilled perfectly.
And who's the best chef on the planet?
Chef Ramsay.
All right.
First bite.
Just take a bite of the burger.